What's up everyone? In this video, we'll be talking about Patreon and YouTube membership, which is right for you. We'll be talking about the pros and the cons, so stick around to the end so you can make a decision that best suits your needs. Starting with the pros, you have subscriber requirement. YouTube requires a minimum subscriber count depending on your niche. However, Patreon does not. This means that you can start a paid community with as little as 100 YouTube subscribers. The second pro of using Patreon is commissions. Patreon offers a more attractive pricing for creators than YouTube. YouTube takes about 30% of membership's revenue that your channel generates. Patreon, on the other hand, offers 3 subscription tiers with commissions in the range of 5 to 12%. The third pro is creator pricing flexibility. YouTubers can only choose between 99 cents to $100 per month, whereas Patreon gives creators full flexibility to create different membership pricing tiers according to their requirements. And the fourth pro is versatility. Now, YouTubers who create a paid membership using Patreon can also use the platform on their other social media channels and areas of influence. For example, if you've got a popular YouTube channel, a TikTok, or Instagram page, you can use Patreon as a central hub for followers to subscribe to members-only content. Whereas if you use YouTube for your membership community, you can only use it for your YouTube community. And you have to find another way to create membership content for paying followers for the other social media platforms. And now I would like to talk about the cons. This is important if you're to make an informed decision. The first con would like to mention is subscriber inconvenience. Now, if you decide to use Patreon for your paid membership community, then you'll have to redirect users off YouTube to your Patreon website. With YouTube, members can join your paid community by simply clicking on the join button on your channel's homepage. So this borders around ease of use. Also, you'll only be able to notify paying members of premium content through the Patreon app, website, or email. As a result, members will have to be logged into Patreon or download the app to access member-only content, in addition to YouTube. So it might be some sort of inconvenience for your subscribers, and this might affect your numbers. The second con would like to mention is management. As a creator, by using Patreon and YouTube, this means that you have to manage both platforms, whereas using YouTube channel membership, it's much easier to manage. For example, to host a members-only live stream, YouTube only requires creating a stream in YouTube Studio and setting it for members only. On the other hand, Patreon requires creating the stream, setting it to unlisted, and pasting the link in your Patreon profile. At the end, the best option for you will depend on your unique requirements and desires. With these pros and cons, we hope the decision-making process is much easier. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.